our main bolts and thread. So we will start with this part number 5 in the book, which is one of these two. Take any, it's fine. And we will use the battery first. We will take the battery. This is how you wind the wires. Bring it closer to you. You first separate them out, and then you hold it, and then you twist it. That's how you wind the wire, so that it becomes one thread and not multiple. You see? Great. So now this will pass through the bigger hole, this one. Like this. And then we will connect it to the battery. So to connect to the battery, just pull those two loops up like this, connect it here, pass it through here, then turn it like this and just turn the battery. That's number 1, and this is number 2. Great. So that's our battery. That's step number 2 actually. 1 was removing everything. Step number 3 is connecting these two small things. You see the different holes, so the bigger one will go behind like this. Opposite to the wires will be this stub. Okay, and front will be this. So both these are in the same directions. Cool. Now the next step is remove this circular gear, this one. So this one, just need to press it hard. Let's see if this is okay. We need to push further. Let's push further. Don't press too much, but just enough. Okay. Now the next step is to connect it to the base. Now there are 2 similar ones. We need to use this with more holes as a base. Actually, it's the roof of the car, not the base. It's gonna be base for our machine. So keep the holes on your left hand side and connect it here. Push this inside here. Sounds good? Yep. Okay, and then we will just connect, or rather push this around to the side of the plate, which is going here. Okay, looks good. Actually, I think it's better the other way. No, it's good this way. Cool. That's step number 5 done on your card. Now we go to step number 6. Very important. This is the gear, and the next one is a pulley. Right, I think the card doesn't show it very well, so hope you get it. Now pass the pulley first. I don't think it matters the way you pass it, and then pass the motor, sorry, the gear. Right, don't break this, it's very important, take care. It's slightly difficult, but it will move. So this one, go here, right. The wires are coming in between. I'm wondering how we can change that. You know, making modifications is what engineering is all about. Just making some slight modifications, so the wire is slightly out of our way because the most important part is going to come here. You see now this is away from this, the ground gear, so I need to push this in a bit more. Sounds good? Yes. So that's step number 6 and 7. Now take the other semicircular piece, that's piece number 5. There you go. Now take 2 of these, push one of them through here, and the other one goes here. Okay, now most important thing, this gear should be on top of this like we discussed before. So you might have to pull this. Push it a bit more. Yes, that's good. Once you have pushed this as far as you want it to go, this will not rotate because it's connected to this gear now. So as far as it can go, you push the yellow one so that this rod cannot move. You know, I'm trying to pull it, but it won't move. Try to keep this gear on top of the circular gear. Now we will come to it later if we need to. Now we will, that's step number 8 for you. Now we will connect the, keep it on the side for now. We will connect the sides of the body. This is done. do it slowly. So this is the base, and as you can see there are exact holes for this thing to go in. So I've connected one side and the other side. Right, now we will connect this to the top of this. I don't think it matters which way you connect it, you can also do it the other way. See, it's a bit loose on my side, it shouldn't be, but hopefully yours is better. Okay. Connect this one here. It's slightly difficult. Maybe I should connect this later. Oopsie. I hate this. Side number one. Finally, I'm almost sweating. Yep, the cabin is complete. Sorry, this thing came out, like I said, it's loose for some reason. So I'm just going to remove this, remove my contraption. double-sided tape. We're gonna stick it behind this one like this, and the other one goes here. Some things are not fixed. You see this is moving, so I'm going to push it as far as I can go on right, and then okay, time for the battery. Sorry, I was getting the batteries. Get the batteries now. This is a switch, okay? This is on, this is off. So what it does, it connects these 2 points, so it's on. When the points are not connected, it's off. The circuit gets completed like this. The red, it comes here and then it stops. If you connect it, then it comes here. You see this is going around. I don't know if you can see it. How? Because the motor inside is rotating and it is moving this one. If you did not connect it properly, it will keep rotating and not touch this. That's a problem. Yeah, I think that click was very important. Now I'm going to push this gear a bit on the top of my motor. The motor hadn't clicked in place earlier. Now it has. You see how it's loose, so I'm just going to make some adjustments to tighten it. It's tight now. Good. Let's see again. See, it's not moving because it's not touching it. What does that mean? I need to push it inside. See, this is out. Now it's moving. Yay! Now we take the thread. Threads and me never go along. I'm just going to talk it to my camera stand. Okay, now this one, first attempt, I'm just going to pass it like this.